Hello everyone, my name is Tarek Bacha from Tablet Academy in Gulf, Microsoft Global Training Partner in Education, and I will be with you in this session regarding accessibility tools in Microsoft and other technology accessibility. So, at the beginning, the accessibility fundamental that technology use, we will talk about the free tool that we can use it daily using our mobile phone, our laptops, and Windows. Of course, each version of Windows have a different level of accessibility in this way. So, a definition for disability, anyone has a mismatch between his person body and the feature of his environment. Let's say I am taking travel to any country that I cannot talk in the same language, so I have a disability to communicate with these people. So I can use my technology tools using iPhone, iOS, or Android, or Windows to use it. So as assistive technology will help me as someone needs support in this way. So let's see as example what we have in Windows. First, we have the vision tools. In Microsoft Windows, if we go to accessibility, it's called easy of access or accessibility based on the version of the Windows that I'm using it. We can use, let's say, magnifier, so I can zoom the whole screen into a size I can see if I have a difficulty in the vision, and also I can change the zooming level from the magnifier. I can use the high contrast based on the type of the color I'm using it. This is the vision tools that I can use it inside Windows. I don't need any other tools to install over Windows. Also, I can use, because people with disability have different type and they need different support. So even though I can use a narrator, so it can read.
Narrator dialog. OK. Button task. Volume control window. Volume.
So
Slider.
each time I press
100%. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes, skip to main content link, support
So
link,
it can
Microsoft 365 link, volume control.
It can read from the Windows or any application I open it inside Windows, like a browser, PDF documents. Even so, the Word document and PDF has a reader and we will see it, but also narrator in Windows can read all the clicks that I'm doing in Windows. So the narrator here, I can go to setting, the easy of access, or you can use accessibility search to find it. And I have a lot of feature, so I can have the shortcut. I can start the narrator after sign in directly, so I don't need to click manually to start the narrator. It's automatically will run after I sign into the Windows. Of course, I can use different English states or different language if I need, or different voice also if I need. Speed of the voice, I can do it less speed or more speed in this way. And a lot of features in this narrator. The same way, if I open Edge and I want only to support my disability using web browser, I can go to read aloud.
Install apps. Recommended. Quick access. Upload.
So the read aloud
P2BB F7184485AC362867D5F0
when I'm
when at
using
1:09 p.m.
in this way.
Tarek B edited this. 87C3D6E59B1846.
So if I have a difficult to read, if I have difficult in my vision also, not only in reading, I can use the loud or narrator and or inside PowerPoint or OneNote. Let's see OneNote. I'll change the constants here first. OneNote. Let's say this one. And inside Microsoft Word. So each application we can have the reader or the immersive reader inside it. So any tools I can use, I can use a read aloud here. So let's say my name. And I can zoom it also and read aloud.
My name is Tarek.
So the same feature we can find it in Microsoft Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and inside the Edge and the narrator in Windows 10 or Windows 11. In OneNote, as I said before, I have the OneNote here, and I will see that I can go to the immersive reader. Need time to load. Okay. I need to refresh the link. Great. Okay, we will check it because the connection, because I'm using the online version. Okay, this looks fine. I must no problem. Okay, we'll continue and we'll check it later. So in the vision level, we can see that read loud, narrator in Windows, and the immersive reader. We'll check it now. And we have also if we go to the setting, so if we can go to the accessibility setting in my computer, or press the Windows logo plus U to select the accessibility. As I said before, it's accessibility or easy of access. It's based on the version of Windows we are using. We can have the text size, the visual effect, and the pointer, magnifier, color filter, based on the vision disability that I have and what tools I can need to use. Also, this is a screenshot for it. We have the hearing issue. We can use also the setup about the setting of the mono audio inside Windows. So also we can go to the setting, accessibility to do it. So we have the vision and we have the different type of disability in this way. Also, neurodiversity, we can use the edge, the OneNote, the Word, so we can use the immersive reader inside the Microsoft tools to have more text reading and focusing on the text. This is what we can testing now with OneNote. Okay, I will open a new notes for this. So, for this type of immersive reader, we can use it in Microsoft Teams, we can use it in Microsoft Note, OneNote, and also we can use it in Word or Excel. The same concept. So it's loading. Okay. So when I start the immersive reader, it will be like this. It will be only text in my booklet. Immersive reader, it can start play.
Microsoft Imagine Academy. Course 40566A. Microsoft Word Associate 2019.
Not only this,
R.
but we can speed or make it slower or speeder, female or male voice, and we can use the setting, the text size that I need to use. So let's say I use it like this one. If I have a problem with the vision and the type of the text that I need to use, the themes and the source formatting and the colors. Also, I can, if I have learning difficulties, I can use the learning feature here to support the learner. Also, the focus line, let's start over to see the focus line and select more, let's say this one, So when I start, I need to be focused on this.
Module description.
So it will focus on line by line, not all the text
The student
on
guide
this way.
also provides descriptions of Microsoft Word
I will,
2019 capabilities,
slow it
course
down.
and module learning objectives, and Microsoft themes.
So all of this immersive reader, it will be inside Word documents, PowerPoints, OneNote, Outlook, and the Edge browser. Of course, other browsers have accessibility like Google Chrome. You can add it from the extension inside the browser. course, I can choose the language. If I have a problem with the language, I have choose to have all the translation need inside one document without any difficulties. By documents. So
وصف الوحدة. ارجع إلى نظرة عامة
So
على الوحدة
the
النمطية
disability is
في
not
دليل
only
الطالب
about
للحصول على
not
ملخص
cannot
للموضوعات
read, it's
وأنشطة
only cannot
التعلم
understand the
والمشاريع.
meaning. So it can support
يوفر
me
دليل الطالب أيضا
totally
وصفا
in any
لإمكانيات
language.
مايكروسوفت وورد 2019 وأهداف تعلم الدورة التدريبية.
Of course, when they begin with the immersive reader, it's not was the same level of this language. So from 10 years or 6 years or 5 years, we have some problem specifically in Arabic, but now it's better. Let's go back to the other tools. So, as I said, the immersive reader can help anyone have a disability in vision, in learning, so we can use it in Edge, in OneNote, and Word, and other applications. But learning, our learner, have a lots of problem inside the classroom. Not all schools have the equipment to support this type of learner. So I will show you one of the tools that they can use it in school to support different type of learner. This tools is inside Microsoft Teams. So in the assignment in Microsoft Teams, when I create a new assignment for my student, I will see that they have something called learning accelerators. So reading progress, it's about supporting students have some disability, have some problem in reading Arabic, French, English, or any other language at home. So there is no teacher within the house. Parent cannot support him. They will, as I can import the lesson as PDF or as a sample. I can select the grade level. So it's based on this. The section will be harder. Let's say this one. And I will select it. So this one will have the reading. I will see it as a student. And I will start it. Allow. I will start. So as a student, it will give me the option here to read. Have you ever heard a trumpet make a sound? If you have, you know it can make any type of reading. I will do it. Then I will go and I am done. Use this recording. Okay. Or try again. After this, the teacher will send it to assign all students, okay, and press next. It will send it to the account of the student. The student at home will open the team, will read, and the AI behind the team will correct the wrong letters and word and sentence and send back a report to the teacher about the skills that this student need to be reviewed. Okay, so the student from his point of view, he will see himself on the recording. He will know what type of pronunciation need to correct, what type of word, sentence need to work on it. And the teacher will have a full report about the whole class. So it's also, I will discard it, it's also a type of AI supporting disability. Okay, I will come to this.
Sorry?
Yes.
Just restricted to language studies?
Yes. This one is for the language only. We have here, I will let's show the 1 minute. I will show you the report shortly that give us the full vision about the immersive reader in Teams. Besides this, inside Microsoft, if I have more difficulties touching my laptops or device, we have the speech recognition, so I can talk with my computer in this way. I am taking off. So it's listening now. I can say open Word. ما سمعني مظبوط. It didn't hear me right. Open PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. It's open. Open Excel. Okay. Start listening. So I need to grab it here. Open Excel. Open Word. Start menu. Open Excel. Open Excel. It's not working. Yes. No, because you need to train it, because it's an AI, so we need to train it on my voice over and over so he can hear better. And the noise and the other microphone will, but the same tools will find it inside Android. So in the setting, if in your phone Android, you can, if you have Android now, you can use it. You can type accessibility inside the setting, and inside Android, you can hearing enhancement and the talkback. So he's now hearing my voice. So I will say open WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. Okay? Open, or I say Ziad Misti. Ziad Misti. Okay, so he will search from the name in my list. I can select his name and I can talk and he will write the message. So the same tool, the same technology, you can find it in iPhone or Android or Microsoft, but you need to train it on, based on your voice tone and the language that we need. You can add Arabic language, you can add French language, English language, etc.
What is the difference between this one and Google Assistant?
The same, but Google Assistant it's more related to online. So this one can help you inside the computer without internet. But it's the same concept. Okay, more about this. If we take the final steps regarding AI, now you know the AI can help more for the disability. All people talking about ChatGPT now. ChatGPT API can help developer build new softwares and application to help people with disability. Microsoft has a OpenAI also on Azure Cloud on their server, and they tested some application. If you have iPhone, it's work only over Apple iPhone. So if we have this, we have application called Seeing AI. Seeing AI. You can install it, it's free. And it's a sample demo about what we can develop to support people with disability. Seeing AI. Yes. We have a lot of application, but this one, it's open API, so any developer work with application can connect and use that feature from this AI. Okay. Did you find it? the Seeing AI logo or icon will be like this. It will have a cam, okay, and you can identify currency. So if somebody give me a currency, will know what type of currency I'm using. It can identify people. So if I take like this, it will tell me how many people seeing inside the camera and the distance of these people from my cam, 2 feet, 3 feet, etc. So if I have let's say $10, it will read it and it will tell me what type, not only the type of currency, but what currency it is. It's $10, $100, etc. So it will help people to identify better than touch. It will see it and it's recognized back. Also, it recognizes it as a text. So any document I have it, if I scan it, it will give it as a copy. It can read it for me if I cannot read. So not only people with difficulties in vision, people with difficulty in reading, it will be help with this application. This application is not for use. It's only for to produce more application based on this. But where I can find this if I'm a developer, or if you know some developer and you are working on application like this in school, in universities, or in your business, where I can find the concept of this in Microsoft. If you have Office 365, you can open the Office 365 from here. You can see it? No. Okay. You can open the Office 365. We have something called Power Platform, Power Apps. Power Apps is a new technology used by Microsoft to develop a fast application in this way. I will sign in. And you will see that in this application, it's a drag drop application. It's a low code application. Because in the coding level, we have a full code application, we have a low code and no code application. So it's a low code application. And you can see that here we have AI model based on Azure AI, on the Microsoft Cloud AI, that can help us to build a new solution regarding disability. Okay. I will see. Solution. So what are type of the text recognition? So it's AI built model. It's an engine of the text recognition. You can put it in your app, so it can, like the Seeing AI, I can scan the text and will recognize it. It can recognize the sentiment analysis if the somebody in face of me happy or sad. It can recognize documents. It can recognize entity extraction and language detection, type of language translations, and other type, object detection.
And is it like you have to choose every time which one you want, or?
No, it's for developer to develop an app, and with the AI will be inside the app in this way. Okay?
So, the app that is already available from the
Yes,
developer
yes.
will be built in based on these two.
Will be connect to this technology, so it recognize the text, the type of the text, the language, the objects, or the face. Okay, same like the Seeing AI. The Seeing AI are built on the same technology. Okay, so it's on the Office 365. You can test it for free. Okay, but developer, of course, if they need it, they need to pay them some fees for Microsoft, of course.
Can you test it on any app you have, or is it just
Through Power App. if you needed to test it in another type of apps, you need a code to be written and connect to the API. Okay?
Can everyone
Yes, if you have Office 365 with the Power Platform, Power App enabled in your account, you can see it. Okay? So if you can't, you can ask your admin, system admin, to enable it to test it. Okay. We have. I talk about Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, if you open here the setting and search the accessibility, okay, you can find that you can add so you can have the live captions, you have a lot of things inside Google Chrome. In PowerPoint, the last thing in PowerPoint, if I open the new version of PowerPoint, let's say this one, you can see that we have transcript here and we have some translations. You can translate in different language or the same language. So in Arabic or English or English Arabic inside PowerPoint. So when we are presenting anything, it will help other people who have some vision or hearing. They can read from the same PowerPoint in this way. Okay? And also in PowerPoint, okay, if you, yes, yes. In PowerPoint, when you open it, slideshow, and always use subtitle, you have the setting, the spoken language and the subtitle language. So you can choose it. Where we want to put it on the button, on the top, below, above, etc. And also audio setting. So how it can, using the microphone, specific microphone, etc. Also people with some disability that cannot speak in public. Okay, so if I have a speech, I need to train myself. So we have the rehearsal with coach. The rehearsal with coach, with body language, it will open a cam. وقت العشرة هلا الدولار غالي انتم ما شايفينه؟ Okay. So it will open and I will start talking about my presentation. I will focus here and هحطها هون بس تصير and so I have some problem with my words. So I will stop it right now. Okay. It will give me how many slides I read, where is my problem. I said them multiple times, so it gives me more insight about my problem, reading or presenting my presentation. So it will help me to go over this type of problem with when I'm speaking to public. This can be used in education or in for disability in the same time. Yes. Yes. Yeah. PowerPoint, slideshow, rehearse with coach. Okay. If you couldn't find it on your PowerPoint, open online PowerPoint because it's an update issue. The update issue. No, a new Office version, يعني Office 2019 updated or 365 or online PowerPoint. If you don't have Office 365, open Hotmail account, you can find PowerPoint inside it for free. So, last thing I want to tell you about that disability can happen to all of us. We have a long life disability, we have a short time disability, like I have an accident on my motorcycle, so I can't type, so I can use this type of technology for free to do my job, my task. And we have a new thing in Windows 11, but need an extra hardware. It's the eye control. So if I can't type, I can't read, I can't spoke to my computer, it's called, I don't have the hardware, but we can get it. Eye control, Windows 11. It's here, eye control setting. It will tell you that I need a supported eye tracking device. The supported is like the eyeglasses. It will connect Bluetooth or by cable to the laptop. Some setting, and you can control everything from your face, from your eyes. So in this way, you can search it online. This is the type of the eyeglasses that I am talking about. Okay, so if I took this one, let's, yes. This is the website of the eyeglasses that I'm talking about. And if we don't want to see it, you can see the type of eyeglasses that we can use it. We have a lots of types, but this one is compatible with Windows 11, the AUB. Okay, so when we configure it well, will use like the mouse, but using my head, using my eyes. Where I'm looking at left or right, it will go to select left and right in this way. Yes. So good one. In some cases, yes. So like right click, double click, something like this. In my research, all this technology, we have a lot of technology, not only this technology, but some it's paid technology, but this is free technology. So, but we need to work and to adapt ourselves using this if we need it, or we need to train people on this level. So like the voice thing, that we need to train our voice, we need to select the good microphone. Some tips that we put the microphone about 5 centimeters to talk slowly, like the newspaper, news anchor in the TV, so they are talking slowly and in a good language to understand. Any noise maybe distract the computer. So I am talking and I left my device on, so it's opening anything I'm talking about now. So you need to always to have the control over the devices also. Any question? Yes. Okay. Tools for AI.
شو ممكن تطبيقات او تطبيق او tools ممكن نستخدمها
Okay. AI until now ما بيقدر يكون to check the facts until now. Okay? Because if you ask ChatGPT any question, it will not give you a 100% full right question. Most of the paid AI have this feature because it needs development. So most of the free AI now, it's only for marketing, so it can get you into their site and like ChatGPT 3 and 4. So you need to pay the 4 for accurate answers and more details. But AI in the next 3 or 4 years, it will be more powerful. It can be used in different in different let's say market and faculties and jobs, and will be very, very helpful for our situation in disability or any type of support. Any question? Okay, thank you very much. And if you need any support in these tools and configuring, I am ready to support you. Okay. Yes, I will write it on the.
Thank you very much.